Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are unboxing a GoPro Hero 8 Black. So I'm not going to bore you like everyone else does. We're simply just going to unbox this. They always get that on there really tight. And then I also don't like how on the screensaver anymore, how they don't put a place for you to take it off anymore. Like on the old ones, they had a place to where like you'd pick it up right here and pry it off and it would come off easily. Doesn't do that anymore. And then the last GoPro that I got, the GoPro Hero 8 Black that I got, was the same way as this, to where I had to get a wrench or something to get it undone. I also didn't bring an SD card with me, but thank God I've got an extra one around here. I forgot about that. I also don't like how they have, and that's everything in the box right there. I also don't like how they cheaped out as well, because with the 7s, you used to get a flush mount and then you used to get a curved mount, 2 mounts. So now they're just lazy, I guess. But I'm gonna find a SD card and update that. So that is your GoPro Hero 8 Black unboxing. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Sunday, February the 9th, 2020. I have showered, gotten dressed. I'm in the process of eating breakfast. And it's burritos because I don't have any breakfast food. I have to go shopping next weekend, so next weekend when I get in, I'm gonna go shopping. She orders pizza a lot and takeout and stuff while she's here, because it's just easier. So that's why I don't really have much food. Every once in a while she will run to the store and get stuff though. So, oh well. But anyways, I'm getting ready to go to work here soon when I get done eating. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Sunday, February the 9th, 2020. It's currently 9:40 a.m. and I don't know why I'm at work so early, because I don't have to run until like 1 or 2, 3 p.m. if I wanted to. I am going to basically St. Louis, Missouri, dropping the trailer that I have right now, hooking to a new trailer, and going to Moxville. I don't plan on pushing myself today. because it's a Tuesday morning delivery and it's literally a day and a half drive or less to Moxville. But nevertheless, it's time to take my vitamin or meds, as I call them, I guess. And boom, just like that, she done. Let's do a pre-trip and get on our way. So I do have to come clean with you guys. My girl already knows because she was there when it happened, but yesterday I did break down and I bought Monsters. Even though it is NOS, if it's an energy drink, no matter what it is, it can be a Red Bull, it can be a Monster, it can be a NOS. Whatever the case is, it can be a Red Line. Whatever the case is, I always call everything Monsters. That's just me, that's just how I am. So I broke down and bought 3 more Monsters. I had 1 yesterday, I'm gonna have 1 now. So, oh well. At least I went, I think it was a day or 2 without that. So I did good for a day or 2. And then I fell off the wagon. I was actually extremely tired yesterday. And I'm worn out. And I've been feeling, I haven't 100% gotten unsick. But I started getting like sick again. And it was because I was exhausted because of lack of sleep. So, oh well. Anyways, I'm gonna finish up paperwork. I've already done a pre-trip. I've organized my tractor, done paperwork. I've got to finish the paperwork on my phone, and then we're gonna get going. Try this again. Since the last time I lost my SD card doing this. So what we're doing, we're here in basically St. Louis, Missouri. I'm in a suburb of it. I am dropping the trailer that I have now in that door. So what that means is I have to drop this trailer, pull that trailer out, hook up to this trailer, back that trailer in, go and hook up to that trailer, do a pre-trip, make sure all my paperwork is right, and go. So that means I'm gonna go from here to there and back, and that's what I was gonna do last time. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it actually works this time. I've already pulled up. That's the trailer that I'm getting right there. I know y'all can't see it yet, but we're going to try to play yard dog really quick. Hopefully it works this time. Hopefully I don't lose the SD card or something else happens. So let's go and drop this trailer and hook up to that one. stop.
Just feeling it safe, robbing still yo.
By the way, before I hit the stop,
Just feeling it safe, robbing still yo.
before I hit this dot, that thing's already down the bump pad. The bump pad is already down before I even hit it. Like that, we've switched trailers, so I've got 4 minutes before my Dirty 30 is done. I'm gonna go make some food really quick, and then we're gonna hit the road. So I accidentally made my mac and cheese a little bit too watery. Oh. I haven't done that in a very long time, and it has not been this watery in a very long time. So, I don't know how to drain it because I don't have a drain. So, I might be eating really watery mac and cheese. I just lost my mac and cheese. Oh, I forgot I put it in there. So, beef ravioli is basically my only other option. I have chili, which I love, but nah, screw it. It's in there. I want to start running, so you know what? That's just what we're gonna do. We're gonna start running. Right now, I'm in Lenoir City, Tennessee. And this don't even make any sense. Hey Siri, where am I?
You're in Lenoir City, Tennessee.
I don't know how to spell Lenoir. But anyways, this makes 0 sense because it's 8:50 at night. Oh, time change. It's 9:50 here. Back home it's 8:50. Here it's 9:50. But anyways, I say that because last Sunday when I was here, there were like spots out the butt, and I got here earlier tonight than last Sunday. So this all makes sense. This slot is full. So I'm gonna grab Diesel Def and some food and go find somewhere to park then. This is the big moment that all of you have been waiting for, and I'm sorry that it's took so long. It's been a roller coaster, but you probably don't want to hear that. You probably just want to hear who the winner of the GoPro Hero 7 Black is. Now, I've done a lot of thinking on this and stuff like that, and the winner of the GoPro Hero 7 Black is Rodney. I picked Rodney because he was one of the very first people to say that they were interested, or they were entered to win the contest. You know, Rodney also owns a small business, so there's a lot of different factors and stuff that go into that. You know, so like I feel comfortable giving a GoPro Hero 7 Black to that individual because, you know, local businesses need to strive, if that makes sense. I also chose him because when you are one of the very first people to like contact me, it lets me know that you're paying attention to my videos, you're paying attention to my content, you're intrigued, you're interested, and you are there. Like there are 2 main people who comment a lot. There's one person who always comments first because he's always first. I always notice that. And then there's another one who typically will always comment on my videos and, you know, like give me encouraging words and stuff like that. There's a third, which I've noticed, he's a driver as well, and he likes to give advice and help me out. Like in one of my videos, I asked somebody, is there a truck stop near here? And he actually Googled where I was at, said, hey, the closest Love's is here. So I noticed that stuff. Like, don't think that I don't. I highly appreciate it, and you guys are awesome. But I will tell you guys this. What I plan on doing is my next giveaway, my next contest, I'm gonna actually restructure that to where it's more fair and I'm took out of the equation. So it will be something similar to this. I'll post 2 videos and 2 videos only. The first video is the instruction video. You have to be over 18 and live in the United States, subscribe, all the normal stuff. So that video, you don't comment on, you only like, and then the next video that I post after that, that's the video that you like, share, and comment on. And you will only be able to comment on that video for a certain amount of time. And after a certain amount of time, if I'm able to turn off comments for that video or whatever, I will do so. That way I can go through and see who commented. Take a screenshot of that. Wait like a month and then make another video and put that out. Like, these are the people who commented on this video and actually did what I asked them to do. So these people actually get to vote amongst themselves on who won the giveaway. So for example, if there's 3 people who commented on that one video within the time frame, those 3 people get to vote amongst themselves on whoever won whatever the free giveaway is. So if 2 people vote for this one guy, then this one guy won. If, you know, they all, and you can't vote for yourself, obviously. You have to vote for somebody else. So, like, let's say I commented on the, let's say it's not my video. Let's say I commented on the video, Doit DeWitt. There's 1. Let's say Casey commented, so there's 2. And let's say there was DeWitt who commented, so then there's 3 people. So let's say Casey votes for DeWitt, so DeWitt has 1 comment. Say Doit DeWitt votes for DeWitt, DeWitt has 2 comments, so DeWitt wins. I don't know if any of that just made sense or anything, but that's how I plan to restructure the next giveaway. That way, whoever is active on my channel, who comments on that one video within a certain amount of time and all that, they get to choose amongst themselves who gets that. I think that's more fair than, well, I mean, it's my channel, my stuff that I'm giving away, so it's fair that I'm doing this, but I think that's kind of more interactive for you guys. I honestly wholeheartedly believe I'll have 5 or 10 people unsubscribe for me now since the giveaway's done, but hey, that's just life. But congratulations to the winner. And I will get in contact with you soon to get all the details of when and where we're gonna meet up and all that stuff. And yes, I will ask you to show that you're subscribed to me on YouTube and all of that good stuff. So congratulations, and this ends today's video, and I will see you next video.